Mzansi in the world. Welcome to another episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. If you are watching and you haven't subscribed, please click subscribe already. Azisha.
If she's not the one for me, please, just give me a sign.
Umthandazwe of... Oh, that's the sign, Baba. That's the sign.
Mara ebe o tshepisitseng motswadi hore ebe a dumele boyfriend ya hao e tlo nna ko heno le ba tshepisang guys
ene moshimana ka go thoma utlwa banyana ba o bitsa ngame ba re moshimano ke ngame o itse ra o tlhalwanya o thomile bere ka pele o itse re bana o phunoga ba mphethe straight
nthoile itshantse le itse gore a ba sa re rapela bashimana tlwelo puta beke ngwenyane kwa hae o re batla o sala morago a ba sa re sala morago a ba se re lata le hae a ba re rapele ke re o tla phutha beke wa tsamao hadima wana nore o tla bona a tlhahella a se ka tlhahella e bo fitlhe hae o tsene ka mo dikobong bona hotse e bile le fura se ka o founela a ba re rapele baby girl a ba sa re rapela batho ba.
Hello, my friend.
Hello?
Yeah, I bought a Lacoste t-shirt from you.
Yes.
The mouth is closed, why?
That one doesn't balabala to my, don't worry. That one doesn't balabala.
No, my friend, I don't want it anymore.
No, relax.
Ene lo hobaditse teenage pregnancy. Setse le re motho wa 30 years has na ngwana o bethile ke nako.
If you use Apple Pay, honestly, just be so careful. This is a little embarrassing to admit, but if this could help one person, then I'm really willing to share what my experience was. I'm just gonna lay it out like this. When you use Apple Pay, that's real money.
Eno sa ba dumela ngwanyana go rekela diaparo gore di doki.
Why?
Le ga ile ka birthday ya go o gane.
Why?
Banyana ba tell after breakup.
Abantu bathenge i-iPhone 17 abazi bazoyenzani abazi bazoyenza believe me abazi ayinayo airtime kumanje lo phone ayinayo airtime. It is very expensive, more than 30,000 rand.
Omunye ikhekela ke drive through thina bamba ngenyawo asingeni kudla bemoto kuphela mara jab jome yakho ngisothini
chomi mamela la ha ba re o nchamile o motle o skono ko shebile from a distance kwana yana
kisi ya motho wa cigarette
1 2 3 ka o bona so jo crash eo e tsamaya gone
crash
e tsamaya ha ona motho a tsena
crash
jolo ka motho a tsubang ibile ba nkgela ba ya nkgela ba nkga mahalakane ba nkga ntwe ba bang
usunne ba ikaitsho
ba re ka utlwa kiss ya teng baba he ya botho
wa cigarette
ungena uphapha ufeyile abo mama bayaphapha niyaphapha ningena uphapha hallelujah
uyashumela
niyaphapha
Lalela amaXhosa masesethi. Hayi lalela singichazeke. Ceng fast ba. Yanjo chomi yakho mna ga.
bazothuika
Hayi lalela. Ngihela kabi wena tek. Ga. Uceng fast ba kuphi apha? Hayi.
Stop calling this a charge. So mdala manje. It's an electromagnetic proton converter.
Wahlanyele ya kubasa yoinga economic protovalent covalent le yamele i-charger ya Samsung.
And style sa lona sa gore ha ile weekend le a manyalong le a masong le a di tombstone le boele ko lona Sunday le lwala coughing la bang la chega diarrhea, you know. Monday o romela message gore I'm off sick. That thing must come to an end. It must. How to re ke flu letse go dipitseng ka merokong o tle go re tshela rotlhe re go le rena re batla a ke rata go lwala. I hate being sick, man. If it means ke a patlama ko nna kwa ke lebella crime channel tang how tswere ke bolwetse, you owe it to us as your colleagues. Ta re tshele flu le rena re nne gae 3 weeks.
That's okay. When I got nnete hohle mo re fihlang wa botsana ona le habli re sitwa tsamaya le wena re ntho ntse bohlale ke go nna ntho tsa magwa bo cappuccino a re ra tsamaya wa botsana ona le habli o betsa wena you can't go to a place with no habli and ha re wa addicted o re nywetli hohle wena o so se spenda letsatsi fela o sa ithetsa ntho horanyana o batla habli
ka nnete
le hloka o siwa hae
And there's no such a thing as a soul DJ.
Yeah.
My brother, my sister, you're not a DJ. You are a music selector.
Zozo. Orenka Zozo. Out a grand. Ke a capita ke Maria deadline. Oh, little gentleman. Got Apple Pay. Oh, went through.
Mama yangu, game over. Mwenye uwanja wake kaingia sasa.
Fresh guy.
Luanza super suicidal. Don't be suicidal. You don't have much mwabane.
Don't be.
Hayi cho mjola no bani. Mjola no Frank. Umuntu angidole kanjena. Wena, wozala. Sizwe ukuthi ume la.
Ngole. Amafutha oyela la.
Yila.
Afuthe imali. Hlala bemzonda.
Ngideleli.
DBZ.
Yay! DBZ. Athi usisa, hi Frank, it's me, Frankina. Hi Frankina. Hi Frankina.
Musadi.
Athi uazane. Athi uazane katanya. Awungcolile nje Frank, uright. Hi Azande. Kuzeka. Sorry Puti yalila 2006. Wait, ngicela ukubuza. 2006 into edliwayo mhlawumbe yogurt, chocolate is the new thing. Ngicela someone angiexplainele, ne? Sharp. Waze wamuhle baba. Hayi.
Ngama oil.
Baba Frank, ivoice yakho engathi ilizwi lika Theo. Frank baby, I lost your number. I want to Frank uyamazi nalo sis. Frank ungcole kamnandi.
Ke oli.
Okay. Ave unamazinyo amahle my Frank.
My friend.
Awu bafu. Wekuzumngakho. Unobumfene impela wena. Uyiphethe kanjani ngane uma uyiphethe kanje? Ehlangana izokhula ihlanya njengawe le.
Wena.
Why are you fan?
Uhlangana naphi ngempela wena nokuthi siphasana kanjani lensizwe? Ngoba into zomndeni sivumelene thina sinayo ukuthi siphasana kanjani.
Awu mara kanje.
Sampono wena. Umuhle wena ngane awufane nabazali.
Kompembi. Yona ndlela ongadlalisa ngayo ingane encane le. lo muntu akuzwe lo muntu udlalisa yena nombhuqa mina
mfowethu bengabi
lalela nsizwa wena lo muntu mncane lo umdlalisa fanele uthi koti noma pitchi usho into engazwakali wena lamagama aqine kanje lawa wabhekisilimu wena
hawu kahle sizwa ngithi bengizofuna umlokotho lapha kuwena
umlokotho uthola lawa ufunda khona nginawo ugwayi mina
ozalana ngane kuyahlupha lokuthola ingane usumdala ozalana ngane yo uyabona ke wekho uzumngakho ngifuna ukuqaqa namhlanje wena uyabona ngoba unomhobholo nomlokotho wakho lo mntana ngizamisa lapha eSPCA lapha
wena omathe futhi
eka inkoloyi lithi to eka inkoloyi guys le baholo eka inkoloyi
but there is already a passage. He doesn't have a car, maybe.
Okay, inkoloyi kamaphondo utype yaka we le eka inkoloyi guys tell una yini serious.
Hey, bam. I have a serious person, my sister. Don't play me. You can see me out there. I'll never post my person.
Why you not post?
I did before. That was a mistake. No, my sister. You think if you take a woman from me, you think that's gonna break my heart? You are taking a problem away. Me, they cause me problems. Okay.
And then he loves problem away. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I beg. See you in the next upload. That's it.
Ask me how I can be xenophobic even though I've worked abroad on and off since 2016. See this road behind me? I'm not trying to set up a food stall there. Each country that I've worked in, I was the scarce skill. I've added to the development of the country. I'm not killing, hijacking anyone, anything. If my contract ends, I go home. If for any reason my visa should be discontinued, I go home. I'm not trying to take their government to court to make me stay here. My spouse was here last year and the visa came to an end. Guess what? South African spouse went home. So yeah, I was thought to be xenophobic by people who want to overrun my country, by people who don't want to follow the rules of their host country. So yeah, let it be.